Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 23 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper, and the question paper code is 30/3/2. Question number 23 says, find the length of the plank that can be used to measure the lengths of 4 meter 20 centimeter and 5 meter 4 centimeter exactly in the least time. Two lengths are given to us. 4 meter 20 centimeter is 420 centimeter, and 5 meter 4 centimeter is 504 centimeter. We need a plank length that can measure both the lengths exactly. That means the plank length must divide both the numbers perfectly. So let's find out the HCF of 420 and 504. Let's divide both the numbers by 2. We get 210, 252. Again, these two numbers are divisible by 2. On dividing, we get 105, 126. Dividing these two by 3, we get 35 and 42. 35 and 42 are divisible by 7. We get 5 and 6. After this, we don't have a common factor which divides both 5 and 6, so we stop this process. So HCF of the two numbers is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, which is 84. Therefore, the greatest length of the plank that can be used to measure both the lengths exactly is 84 centimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.